Hello my dear student of class 7. Today I will take class 7 mathematics. This is exercise number 2.6 part 2. So in the previous classes we already discussed about multiplication of decimal number. So today we will discuss about exercise number 2.6 maths number 4. Page number 52. Let's read number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. So, how much distance will cover in 10 liters of petrol? So, a two-wheeler covers distance in 1 liter. This is 55.3. So, we should find the two-wheeler covers distance in 10 liter. So in 1 liter it's covered 55.3 km. So in 10 liter it's obviously covers 55.3 into 10. Now 55.3 into 10. When we multiply a decimal number by 10, then we shifted this decimal point by 1 places in the right side. So we get 553.0. So this is 553.0 km. That means 553 km. So its covered distance in 10 liter. This is 553 km. Now next question number 5. Now we find some multiplication. So at first number 1. Here given 2.5 into 0.3. 5 into 0.3. So this is equal to 2.5. That means 25 by 10. Because there is one number after decimal point. So we should divide this number by 10 into 0.3. This is same. So this is 3 by 10. Now we multiply 25 by 3. Then we get 75 by 10 into 10. That means 100. So 75 by 100. That means when we divided a decimal number or a number by 100, then we shifted the decimal point for two places in the left side. So here suppose there is a decimal point 75.0, that means 75. So if we divide 75.0 by 100, so we shifted this decimal point by 2 places in the left side. So we get 0.75. Now next number 2. Here given 0.1 into 51.7. So first we write this 0.1 means 1 by 10. And 51.7 means 517 by 10. So we get 1 into 517. That means 517 by 100. 10 into 10, 100. So in a similar way of number 1, we should shifted this decimal point by 2 sides in the right. So in the left. So this shifted in these places. Now you get 5.17. Now next number 5. .5 into 0.005. Now we get 0.5 means 5 by 10 into 0.005. Sorry, this is 0.05, not 0.005. 0.05. That means after decimal point there is two numbers. So 5 by, we divide this by 100. Now we get 5 into 5, that is 25 by 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros, that is 1000. So we shifted this decimal point by 3 places in the left side. So we write this number. So from this we shifted here. So we should write 0 in here and this. So this number is 0.025. This is the number after multiplication of this. Now next number 7. We are given 1.07 into 0.02. So 1.07 means this number without decimal, we divide this by, has two number after decimal, so it divided by 100. Now 107 by 100, and next this is 0.02, that means it divided by again 100. Now we get 107 into 2, that means 214 by, this is 10,000. So here is 3 number, so we shifted this decimal point by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 places in the left side. So we get, so we must write in this side 0 at first, 0, 2, 1, 4, and here this is the decimal point. Yes. Now next number 9. Number 9, this is given 101.01 into 0.01. That means this is equals to this number without decimal. We write this and divided this by, there is two number, so divided by 100. And again this divided by 100. Now we get this number into 1, that means this number 10101 by 100 into 100, 10,000. Now this is equals to, here is 4 zeros, so we should shifted this decimal point by 4 places in the left side, so we should shifted this in these places. Now this is 1.0101. Now next number 10 is 100.01 into 1.1. This is equals to 100.01. So we should write first this number without decimal. That means 10001 by, here is two numbers after decimal point. So we should divide this by 100 into 1.1, that means 11 by, there is one number, so we divided by this 10. Now we get, there is 1, 2, 3 zeros, that means 1000. Here is 10001 multiplied by 11, then we get 0011. Now if we divide this by 1000, so we shifted this decimal point by 3 places in the left side, so we get this 110.011. This is number 10. Now, so we cover this exercise 2.6. So next day we will start this next exercise, that means 2.7. So you should try at your home the remaining math from number 5. Thank you.